Don't tell me we are on the verge of being replaced by machines. Don't tell me that AI is going to take over everything. Our jobs, our creativity, our very essence. If robots are gonna do everything, then what is left for us humans? From call centers to creative writing, AI is making its way into every field. And sure, it is efficient. No tea breaks, no traffic excuses, just work, work, and work. But here's the thing, can AI truly replace what makes us humans? Let's be real. Can a machine truly understand the joy of a deep breath after a stressful day? Can it experience the peace that comes from sitting in silence, eyes closed, connecting with something which is beyond the mind? And here is the interesting part. While people are scared of losing their jobs to AI, the biggest AI conferences around the world are inviting.
They've been inviting me to speak in all sorts of artificial intelligence conferences in the world. I was just surprised, why are they asking me to come and speak about artificial intelligence? Because I'm not an expert in the field, nor am I an artificial intelligence.
Now, why would tech giants want to hear from a mystique? Because deep down, even the most advanced technologies know there is something they can't touch: human consciousness. Yoga and meditation, as people think, are not just exercises. They are the pathways to explore the inner dimension that no algorithm can decode. But of course, you have to learn it from the right source. AI might calculate, analyze, and even predict, but it can't experience the bliss of a moment of stillness. It can't replace the joy of feeling alive. And that's where we as humans hold our edge. Consciousness, awareness, and the ability to connect with ourselves and others on a deeper level. This is something no machine can replicate. So if you are worried about AI taking over, just remember, while a robot might fold your laundry, it can't fold your legs into a lotus pose. And who knows, maybe one day, AI will need meditation to cope up with its data processing stress. As we all can see, robots have also started doing suicides due to long work hours. Embrace the technology, but don't forget the power of your inner technology. Before we sign off, let's watch this.
This is the most sophisticated machine on the planet. You're manufacturing this with whatever food that you eat. And the food that you eat is just the soil that you walk upon. Yes or no? And it stands up. Isn't this a 3D printer? Hello? Does that intelligence exist within you or not? Not even in your brain, in your gut? It does. So if only you found conscious access to this dimension of intelligence, you would live magically, isn't it? Then artificial intelligence won't disturb you. You will be very happy because all the menial jobs, if the machines do, what a wonderful world. I'm looking forward to that.